What's on fire? I know. I'm just watching where they're going. Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of Riggerty Rams, Riggerty Proves, and Riggerty Use. Something about new today though. We got our 2026 Ram 1500 RHO in Serrano Green, guys. This is our newest color that we just got introduced to our lineup, and it is obviously taking the top notch of, favoritism. Beautiful color. We got the marker lights in the hood, of course, with the oversized fender flares. We got the Hurricane high output motor, wraparound headlights, the skid plates, the active suspension with the dynamic, the Goodyear Wrangler tires, blind spot monitoring built in the mirror caps. Interior-wise, we got the full black headliner, Alpine audio, the auxiliary switches. We got dual wireless charging. We have the Alcantara on this door panels and the center console, the full leather seats, and all power, of course. Full-size crew cab, guys, all right? We got a little bit of like a racing-inspired back seat of the side backing, 60/40 bench seat, rear slider window, of course. You can see the Ram active terrain dynamic suspension on the back, built by Bilstein. Of course, it's a wide body from factory. Spray and bed liner, bed utility group as well. Steel bumper. It even actually has, what do you call that thing? A hitch receiver, so you can pull things. Nice beefy tires. And I know I'm going over quick, guys, but we've seen this truck online everywhere. We know what these things are. They got the racing-inspired steering wheel, leather wrapped with a wood grain. It's got adaptive cruise control, adaptive braking, and all that fun stuff for anything emergency-wise, and full digital dash too. So, guys, for more information, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.